Imagine transforming your garden into a money-making oasis. Today, we're exploring the top 5 herbs that can boost your income. Let's dive into the incredible world of herbs. These green powerhouses not only flavor our food but also have a thriving market. Growing herbs can lead to a sustainable and profitable side hustle. First up is basil. This aromatic herb is popular in kitchens everywhere. It thrives in warm weather and needs plenty of sunlight. Basil can be sold fresh or dried. A single plant can yield multiple harvests, increasing your profits. Next is mint. This herb is versatile and easy to grow. Mint spreads rapidly and requires minimal care. It's great for garnishing drinks and desserts. You can sell fresh mint leaves or packaged dried mint. Third, we have rosemary. This hardy herb is known for its fragrance and culinary uses. Rosemary grows well in well-drained soil. Its leaves can be harvested year-round. Selling rosemary can attract customers looking for gourmet ingredients. Fourth on our list is thyme. This herb is essential in many dishes. Thyme is drought-resistant and grows well in containers. Like rosemary, it can be sold fresh or dried, making it a market favorite. Lastly, let's talk about chives. These leafy herbs are easy to cultivate. Chives add flavor to salads and plated dishes. Their vibrant green hue attracts chefs and home cooks alike. Now, let's summarize the key points. We discussed basil, mint, rosemary, thyme, and chives. Each of these herbs can be easily grown. They have strong markets and can boost your income. Ready to start your herbal journey? Begin by planting one or more of these herbs. Research local markets to find potential buyers. Start small and watch your herbal wealth grow. Grow, sell, and reap the rewards. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on earning from home. Happy gardening!